We are focusing on autism, but what about profound autism?
Therapies don't start at centers, they start from home, घर पे. You will take them to hell lot of therapies, but your child doesn't know how to pick up your own plate and keep it in the basin.
Yeah.
Or he can't even wash his own plates. Or then I think the therapies are not working. You can prescribe a medicine, but what if the medicine is not suiting the child? Then you say, आप ये करो, आप ये करो, आप assistant को बात करो. Then you can reach out to the exact doctor. And why can't a simple thing be understood that this child is dealing and this parents are getting harassed and the child is not able to communicate? So why can't the response be little quicker? क्यों इस तरह से ही कान पकड़ना है सीधा? क्यों नहीं? समझ में नहीं आ रहा, समस्या है, दिख रही है ना? अरे which parent wants to go to a doctor for his child or her child? First thing, you should get a good therapist, a good friend group who is very supportive. My friends are very supportive. And it starts from your own home itself.
So that's how acceptance and first of all family and friend support is very important to go ahead in life.
So, one message or a message that you would want to give to the society?
My message is very simple. I want Mariposa in every school. Mariposa setup. Because the government has started inclusion, there are no proper infrastructure for the government to understand at what exactly special school means, special staff means, how mothers and therapists need to be educated. Government should look inside. Just by giving permission is not easy. So we need to change the system of education where they need to educate, multiply challenge, they have to show. And how you can show is an inclusion, one Mariposa classroom in each and every school. Where kids are going together but in a separate classroom with a separate staff, they can be handled. But at least mom said we are going to the same school.
बहुत खुश बच्चे होते हैं ये.
They are
very pure at heart.
pure and happy souls they are.
कोई छल कपट नहीं होता इनमें.
Very happy.
Like the outside world, but accept them with respect. दया भाव से नहीं, respect से जो उनका जगह है ना,
That
वो दो. Don't think that they are incapable.
yeah.
They are capable in other way, and it is their space. So please.
So, welcome both of you to the Dolly Show today. It's a true pleasure to have you both here. So, yes, we have our professional here who is Sejal ma'am, and she's the founder of Mariposa. He will definitely discuss deep about that, ma'am. And we have our proud parent who is Kiran ma'am, and we're going to have a dhamakedar session today for sure. Okay. So first and foremost, ma'am, I would love to know and I would love you to unfold your journey.
Okay. Thanks for telling me your profession, but first I am a mom of a neurodiversified kid named Viha. Viha was born premature, 26 weeks. She was in the incubator for 100 days. And when she was held, we need to check all the parameters. And that time we came to know she doesn't have a vision. So the retina was detached. So we went through the surgery and now at the age of 25, she is able to, the doctor said initially that if she could walk, she could use her vision. But Viha walks, but she walks with support. So her vision, what we have achieved is little frustrating for her for a daily functioning. But yeah, Viha is a very happy child. So that's what keeps on going to.
And about your
Journey of Mariposa. So the birth of Mariposa is in the year 2009. So as Viha was born, every mother wants the child to go to the school. So there was no school for like Viha, but there was a center called Helen Keller at Bhaikala.
Okay.
So we enrolled over there. So we came to know about Helen Keller through Ummid Center, where the Dr. Viva Krishnamurthy, who guides for all the kings. So she recommended Helen Keller, and over there was one lady, Miss Sheila Sinha. I could say now she's a mentor for me because she inspired me for the Mariposa. I'm really grateful for her. So there when I used to take Viha, So Helen Keller used to focus on functional skills. As a child, like we have multiple challenges. So the teacher over there said that you have to do what is important is the daily functional skill rather than academics, and that what clicks to me. Yeah, the basic is if Via is not able to wear her clothes or eat on her own, the whole journey by just giving education doesn't matter to me. So that was the biggest acceptance for me that I'll just work on her functional skills. And as Viha grew, I knew that there are also limitations of functional skill because of she's little lower extreme as a CP child. So I have a child with ROP, little autism features, and a spasticity you can take at a multiply challenged. But that didn't stop me. There wasn't limitation for me. I just had accepted very positively. And Biha was such a cheerful and happy girl that looking at her only, I was like, okay, let's do this, let's do that. So as Viha was growing, I was like, she could only speak few words that time. First word was Papa. And then I was like, when I stay at Valkeshwar where there is a slopes on the hill. So one fine day when I just reach little bit away from the house, she's telling me, home are you, home are you. So I was like, oh my God, she's like memorizing the road map. She's so understanding what I'm doing. So from that day, I started talking to her everything. Even if I get answers to me or not, I just keep on talking to her. And that's what, when I shared with it, when my mother-in-law, my whole family just keeps on talking to her. We are Ajamit, we are doing this, this is happening, this is happening. So I thought talking therapy is very important for such child. We feel we will get that response that even, but no, they are listening to us. Basically, they are listening to us. So, and the one most thing I did is like, a child at home needs company. So what I thought, nobody's going to give her 24 hours company. So I used to keep radio whole day, whole night for her. Still it's on. So even if nothing happens, she's listening to something and something, but her brain is not, having, because as you grow, there are a lot of things, thought process starts. So I just thought that radio is the best company for Viha. There are many languages to be listened, whatever it is. But I think she must be now knowing all the songs, I feel, at the age of 25. But we have never heard singing her. But I am happy that she is having a good company like Reed. So yeah, so when after age of 12, at Helen Keller, they said that she can't continue anymore and we need to go to Vashi. Staying in a Sobo and going to Vashi was really difficult as a mother. So she said, why don't you start your own center as you are so inspired and you come every day and learn from me. I said, ma'am, I'm really happy if it works. So we had 2-3 parents who had the same journey. So we 2-3 parents started a center called Milestone, talking about 16 years back. And at Worli, there was a school called Aut India where we rent a place. After their normal school, we used to hire a small room and we 3-4 parents started our center for our kids. Where the thing is daily function skill, we needed a therapist and a special educator for our kids and our own program. Because what we need is our own program, what our mother needs. That is what we understood. We don't want what we other want. So it was running smoothly a year, and then 1 or 2 parents were traveling from Chembur. This center was at Worli. The other parent was a government. They were working for government office. So then they said after a year that we have a transfer. The parent coming from Chembur said it's not possible for me coming every day station. I said okay, but my family support was awesome, and my husband first he said don't stop. Someone will come. You have started this. Something good is going to happen. I said. And one of my speech therapists where I used to go to take Viha first, Palak, she said like, I had told her, Palak, can you send such challenging kids where I can help? Like what is Viha's journey, Then she said one kid, the other kids are coming. Like that way I got 4 to 5 kids. And the journey kept. And the birth of Mariposa started. So this is a little story of Mariposa which I'm kind to gift you.
It's a very precious gift.
Yeah.
And we'll definitely go through this.
Yeah, thanks.
A photo book. How
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I made more of a photo book than just like my journey. Visually, like, that visual people just want to just go through. So the story is a little small, but
I am a visual person.
yeah.
Pictures register very quickly.
Clearly.
For the than reading.
So some stages of Viha and then the birth of Mariposa. Beautiful. So now at present Mariposa is 17 years old. So it started with Milestone initial year, then we have a donor, like a family friend, Preeti Bhagat, who supported this cause and she funded me. And yeah, but as you say in Sobo, the place is an issue, so it's on a rent. So for me to run such a program, I need funding. So I've registered as a trust. I do fundraising to run my program. So every 2 to 3 years, I do my fundraising program and continue my program. Until now, it's continued.
So yes, ma'am, we heard a very inspiring and a beautiful journey from ma'am. Her story is really, really amazing, wherein she's got inspired from her daughter and her experiences. And with all of that, with all the love, with all the experience, is where Mariposa has taken birth.
Thank you so much.
We come to your journey.
My journey with autism started in the year 2017 when my son was diagnosed. His name is Kian. That time he was approx 2.5 years, approx age. He was diagnosed by Dr. Rupa Srinivasan, and she told that he is just a mildly autistic, and with a couple of therapies, life will be better. She suggested few therapies also and few therapists also. And yes, from that day onwards only, we started inquiring what is autism. First thing though, I have heard that word for the first time in my life. Me and my husband both. So we started a couple of research की भाई ये autism चीज़ क्या है, पहले तो सुना नहीं था कभी. So yes, slowly it started. We continued with the therapies, and yes, there was a progress, but then schooling was a bit difficult for our kids क्योंकि वो टाइम पे inclusion का इतना फंडा नहीं चल रहा था. Inclusion was very difficult. He was going to a play school where every day there was some or the other complaints which came up कि आज कियान ने ये किया, आज कियान ने वो किया. And then one day तो he was thrown out of the school also. Okay, you can take your child back. We are ready to pay you back. So I did a couple of fights, but then I thought कि school ही लायक नहीं मेरे बच्चे के. I tried a couple of other things also. I put him in another play school where he was accepted. Then we got into some other good big school. With big school with a lot of comes with a big conditions also, which are never mentioned. कि आपका बच्चा बैठेगा तो ही हम बिठाएंगे, नहीं बैठेगा तो we try some other alternatives also. Yes, as a new parent हम लोग को इतना idea भी नहीं होता है कि whatever the school is saying, it must be that way only. And I was a very introvert person कि इतना किसी से बात करना वगैरह. I was told अपना काम से काम की इतना पूछना इतना ही पूछना है. And a little bit shy and होता है ना पूछे कि नहीं पूछे. Maybe I'm asking a wrong question or a right question. But now the time has already बहुत change हुआ है. अभी तो parents, I see the new parents, they first ask बहुत frankly to the therapist also, to the doctors also, and to the schools also. And now अभी तो government policies भी है कि you can't throw any child out of their seats. बहुत late government जागी है, पर ठीक है जागी तो सही है. And yes, it has been a journey with a lot of ups and downs. Kian was a verbal child. The first word he spoke was Papa only. So he was a verbal child, and he used to call me Bhabhi because all my servants used to call me Bhabhi. So he used to call me Bhabhi. He never called me Mama. So yes, I still remember those days. But then a lot of regression happens. I don't know what went wrong. I'll not blame any system because I was also new and I also was not capable and
Aware.
knowledgeable enough to question that system. The way I can now question it, पहले ना बोलने का इतना हिम्मत नहीं होता था. ये दवाई देनी है तो ये दिया, वो दवाई देनी है तो वो दिया, without any question mark. And lot of tests were done, lot of medicines were given just because he was hyper. Sometimes I feel that the system was incapable of managing him. They just wanted to manage him with some supplements like medicines. without putting much effort, they wanted the easier way out. So I just feel that first you should try the other alternatives also, other therapies also, before just going on for medicine, because that is the most easiest way to calm a child. And through therapies and other efforts and other physical activities, it is a little difficult part to calm a child, but that I feel helps more. Medicine is an option, but you should keep it as a last option. That is my gut feeling and my journey which I am sharing. There might be parents who will say that yes, हमारे केस में medicine बहुत अच्छा काम किया, because I believe every parent's journey is different, every child's journey and the brain is different, how it reacts, how it doesn't react. I have seen my worst days with medicines, like ear blood coming out. There were very bad meltdowns with medicines, but without knowing anything, मतलब not much बोलते ना अंधविश्वास. So yes, first you should try the alternative things also, and school का कोई घाई मत करो. नहीं पढ़ा ABCD या 1 2 3 तो कुछ नहीं बिगड़ने वाला. Hi. You teach them the basic life skills. You teach them how to survive in this world, how to be happy in this world. That is more important. A for alpha किसी के काम नहीं आया. अभी तक sin theta cos theta मैंने यूज नहीं किया है. Until unless I would have took some other field of engineering or something. So it's okay if he is not able to understand those concepts. Teach him the life skills first. Don't run behind the new fancy things जो आजकल चल रही हैं. Start with the basic groundwork. That only I will suggest, because I have been through that journey. I have gone to the best doctors and the best therapists. But somehow, I don't know, it didn't work. Then I started from the ground level again. And yes, I will really thank one of the therapists, 1-2 therapists like Khyati Dharia. She runs Theraplay. She has helped me a lot to bring a lot of changes in Kian naturally, and बोलते ना, Kian was a very tough child. Very tough child means very tough child. मैं ख्याति को नीचे से फ़ोन करती थी कि आपका अपॉइंटमेंट आगे वाला हो गया है तो ही मैं ऊपर आती हूँ. अदरवाइज आई यूज्ड टू स्टैंड डाउन, क्योंकि वो बंदे में इतना पेशेंस भी नहीं था मेरे बेटे में कि जाके उधर बैठे. So yes, she helped me a lot. And one more therapist I met, her name is Jyoti Kayarat, or I don't know her surname properly. She also helped me a lot in this journey. But there are few good therapists and doctors whom I met who believed in the other alternatives rather than just jumping into the shortcuts and the big schools and big names and all. Because somewhere down the line with our kids ना, कभी बहुत fancy और बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें काम नहीं आती हैं. Small changes, small things bring a major changes in their life. जैसे when you go for a school interview, they ask you one simple question: is your child potty trained? Is your child this trained? Is your child that trained? सब कुछ train होता तो आपके पास आते क्यों थे? Then they say, why are you not working on this aspect, that aspect? अरे we are working. Every child is different. आप वो एग्जाम्पल दुनिया को बता रहे हो जो इजी है. आप उन बच्चों के बारे में भी तो बात करो जो एक्चुअली में डिफिकल्ट है, जिनको एक्चुअली में 1000 बार समझाने के बाद भी वो पाथवे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. पिक्चरें तो उन पे ही बन रही है जिनको थोड़ा बहुत सक्सेस मिला. उन अनसक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज पर भी तो फोकस करो. ट्रू. वो खाली ऐसे ही वैनिश हो जाती है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट प्रॉफिटेबल एनीवेज. नॉट टू द सोसाइटी, not for the money making business, not for the doctors, not for the therapist, nothing. So don't count them useless. थोड़ा मेहनत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है, पर रिजल्ट आता है. सुनने कमियां ढूंढने की बजाय तुम अपना एनवायरनमेंट सुधार लो ना. खाली इंक्लूजन की बातें करने से नहीं होता है. इंक्लूजन के साथ उस लेवल का एक्सेप्टेंस लाओ. अरे पहले घर से शुरू करो. पहले एजुकेशन सिस्टम में डालो
Yes.
कि क्या है ये स्पेशल नीड. जब 10-12 साल के बच्चे ने कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं तो क्या जानेगा. वो तो मेरे बेटे को ऐसा ही देखेगा ना. But mama, he's doing some weird things, making weird sounds. उस बच्चे का गलती नहीं है कि उसे नहीं पता है कि that child is dealing with some other issues. So awareness की खाली छापे मत लगाओ, पोस्टर मत लगाओ, करो.
Keep it in action.
हाँ.
That's what is why we wanted to bring out this topic, that yes, we are focusing on autism, but what about profound autism? This profound autism has to be given attention, because these children are also there. They also need to be catered. And parents like you have to come up and raise your voice, so that, you know, the society needs to change for this. So, as you said, schools, therapists, all of them have to give in more efforts. But
I will say therapists also and other professionals also, like you can prescribe a medicine. But what if the medicine is not suiting the child? Then you say, आप email करो, आप ये करो, आप assistant को बात करो. Then you can reach out to the exact doctor. And why can't a simple thing be understood that this child is dealing and this parents are getting harassed and the child is not able to communicate? So why can't the response be little quicker? क्यों इस तरह से ही कान पकड़ना है सीधा? क्यों नहीं? समझ में नहीं आ रहा. समस्या है, दिख रही है ना.
true that.
अरे which parent wants to go to a doctor for his child or her child?
And to be very frank, parents are already dealing with so much. And then you put them through this, that speak to them, do this, already puzzled. And you're already in so much.
You're not solving the puzzle.
Yeah.
You are creating more nuisance and more complication for the person who is trying to solve. समाधान तो करना है नहीं, खाली बातों से कुछ नहीं होता है.
So true. So, ma'am, I would really want you to tell us, in your journey, how have you found solutions to all of this? How many ever solutions you have found?
First thing, you should get a good therapist.
Oh.
A good friend group who is very supportive. My friends are very supportive. When it comes to my child, they are very supportive. I have traveled with them abroad also. मतलब बहुत एडजस्ट किया है उन लोगों ने कई बार.
Support system is very, very strong.
And it starts from your own home itself. पहले घर से.
House. There was one thing that if someone calls us, first you accept Viha, then we'll come. Perfect. She's welcome, we are already welcome too. So all our friends now knows that Viha is coming, so they all are like, you know, what needs to be done, how will be done. So that's how acceptance, and first of all, family and friend support is very important to go ahead in life. We all need. True. It's very basic thing. We all need.
Definitely, because today, without family and friends, what is in reality? If you see COVID times, what was important? It's family and friends.
Yeah.
That will survive. Very sure COVID time, that money was also not important. Yeah, and you know, that's what we feel. And when we are having so much challenges with our kids, so first of all, we need that love, acceptance, and unconditional support from our own layer. And what Kiran said, yeah, the building, the society, they just keep on watching if our kid is like running or flapping or doing this. That is, a system is not educated. So we need to change the system of education, where they need to educate, multiply challenge, they have to show. And how you can show is an inclusion by having 1 mile, like how a Mariposa is open, 1 Mariposa classroom in each and every school. Where kids are going together, but in a separate classroom with a separate staff, they can be handled. But at least mom said we are going to a same school. That's what inclusion I feel, Kiran. And I feel that. So all our parents, what as a parent, we both are like, every parent has his journey. So true.
Yeah.
Every parent and every
Today I didn't go to any school. I went to 1 or 2 schools, but the same answer had come, potty train, and I was knowing it was not possible for me to skip Viha because vision was also a big issue for me. She was not blind. If she would be blind, she would walk on her own. She would do everything. She has blindness plus, like, not blindness, like a low vision, partial vision, plus spasticity, plus autism features. That all thing combines. It's very difficult for a mother.
yes.
Just keep a child to a school where I don't know what will happen to her. And we don't have that trust or faith. Who will give you?
Hats off to you now.
So then that's how we start our own center. And that's why when I tell that I take each and every child, because I know that these kids have to be taken care patiently and lovingly. So I tell every child in my center is like my Viha. And that is why the strength of Mariposa is very less. I'm not like saying that I have, like, whenever I ask for donation, okay, kitla chup, like, how many kids you have? I said, I have 15 kids and I'm happy with it. Because each kid is like 100 kid for me.
Correct.
To handle one kid, I know. The first time when Kian came, he was just going here and there. But we all staff, all other kids, they were not like, oh, what is he doing? Everyone were accepted, no judgment. We know that this is something happens to anyone. Today, my daughter also starts screaming suddenly. It's okay. The Mariposa is a place not judged, accepted. The staff over there is excellent. They take care so nicely. You can ask. Like, it's really like it's a home away from home.
Yeah.
Wow, I it's like a name here, but it's like home away from home. Like, we can feed them, we can go play with them. Whatever mother say, we make an individual IIP for them. It's mother. I'll ask mother, what are your priorities? We do have all the therapists. We have speech, occupational. I have aqua treadmill in my own center. I have art based. All are there. But whatever child needs, we'll do with them.
Ma'am, I would love to know your experience.
My experience with Mariposa so far has been really good. Why good? Because she never asked me anything. Is he susu trained? Is he potty trained? Is he this? Is he that? She just accepted Kian the way he was and gave me a hope that we'll try to improve something. Matlab, we'll work on it. She didn't expected me to get a perfect Kian and then she will work on it. She accepted a person the way he is because, yes, of course, he's a special need child and for lifetime he's going to be a special need child. So ये बंदी ने उसको वैसा ही accept किया and yes, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ काम ही नहीं करना है. She is working on it.
We send videos every day to the child.
Yes.
Like, this is what we did with the child. Because child, they don't speak, and the mother, like, what have you done? I said, don't worry. We'll take a video and show you what we did in the classroom with them.
And they are open to my suggestions also.
Yeah.
I every time on a video मेरा तो कुछ suggestion तो comment तो होगा ही. नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए था. ऐसा नहीं ऐसा. But they happily accept it. Because I also know my child कि मेरा कहना easy है. इनको वो करवाना भी तो उतना मुश्किल है. मुश्किल नहीं होता तो आता नहीं था यहाँ में. So you have to understand both ways also. कि आप खाली डिमांड भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. सामने वाले का एफर्ट लगाने का इंटेंसिटी भी तो देखो ना. लगा रहा है पर रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो दैट डजंट मीन दैट दे आर नॉट पुटिंग एफर्ट बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट ना.
So people do ask me any results or anything like immediate. I said Mariposa is a slow and steady process. But I am happy looking at my daughter. At 25, she is with me. I know that she understands everything. She knows everything. And other kids, whoever comes to Mariposa, even they understand everything. I can vouch on that. But we need to have very patient for their progress. Very patient. So acceptance, as I said, is very important for our society. And unconditional, no judge. Like, it will take us. It's a very slow process.
I would love to come back to my question where I asked you what has given you the right pathway. What has worked for you?
Therapies have worked for me and a lot of failures have worked for me, not success. A lot of failures of trying different things have worked for me. Because then only I came to know कि ये नहीं काम करने वाला है. If I would have not tried medicines or if I would have not tried big schools, तो मुझे लगता शायद मैंने ये किया होता ना तो सही होता था यार. So that experience have made me learn that ये नहीं काम कर रहा है, you try the other way around.
Yes.
So I have learned only from my failures. I tried the other way around, like giving him medicine and try to calm his meltdowns and all. It didn't work for Kian. It can work for other kids. And I have seen live examples that it had worked for other kids. So the failure of those has made me believe that there are other alternatives also apart from visiting multiple doctors, just popping up multiple pills. So there are other alternatives also, which may be little tough, but yeah, it has worked. Some physical activities, yoga, engaging your child in other activities. Earlier I used to not take him out because मुझे लगता था कि the world is not accepting him. प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं था, तो प्रॉब्लम मेरा था कि मुझे ही नहीं समझ आ रहा है बॉस। तो पहले अपने आप का तो सुधारो, फिर तुम दूसरों की बात करना और सिखाने जाना उनको कि उन्हें क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा है, तुम्हें ही नहीं समझ आ रहा था। बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन ही वाज वेरी यंग, ब्रिज कैंडी गार्डन लेकर गई थी एंड ही हैड अ मेल्टडाउन। एक बंदे ने मुझे ऐसे ही टॉन्ट मार लिया था, बच्चा संभालना नहीं आता। मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा था बिकॉज मेरे पास इतनी फुर्सत नहीं थी कि मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करूँ कि भाई इसमें ये इशू है, इसको मेल्टडाउन हुआ है, इसलिए ही इज गिविंग मी अ टफ टाइम। दैट हिट मी वेरी हार्ड बिकॉज मुझे उसको जवाब तो देना था पर दिया नहीं था बिकॉज नीदर आई वॉज इन दैट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, और मुझे मालूम था कि इसे समझ नहीं आने वाला है। सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ फॉर माई किड। सबसे पहले तो टू द न्यू मॉम्स आई विल ओनली से वन थिंग, फर्स्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू manage the situation. It is a war and it will need an army. It needs an army. It needs a lot of financial support
In today's time.
Yes, everything is expensive. You therapy के charges क्या है और ये
Today you are charging 16,000 fees a month. The parents are saying, how much you are charging? I said, it's like a special child with all the therapies I'm offering. If you say just a 500 a day for 3 hours, and giving all the therapies and taking care of each child, like,
Yeah, so
individually. Even if they do potty or anything, they have been cleaned, they have been everything. She takes care of the kid. Not like they have been untouched. Even if it's drooling, it's been wiped every time. We keep a watch. It's like taking care very nicely.
I think she comes from a space where she's gone through it. She knows how closed doors look like. She knows how those situations feel when the parent sees the child के cater ही नहीं किया है मेरे बच्चे को.
So a mother likes to be, they will get trust to me looking at me because I always give trust to the new mothers. Say, don't worry, I am there. Though I have a whole staff, I just go every day to watch that I don't want any of my child being little bit here and there because they're not good to speak, nothing is good to heart. So that faith and that trust each parent gives me when they enroll for a Mariposa thing. I said, don't worry, I'm there.
She has seen a lot of Band Darwaza. She has opened the doors for everybody.
Yeah, because
She extended like
all the kids. If I'm keeping my Viha to Kiran, I need that trust that Kiran, okay, she will take care like Kian. That much trust तो होना ही है ना, तो ही Mariposa में लोग आएंगे. Like even if it's for 3 hours, you are keeping your gold with me. True. It's like anything can happen because these kids are not, it's like not speaking, not understanding any misuse, anything. We have to be so like, आज कुछ भी हो गया तो like they can just tell me that no, there's something. That is why I keep on updating them, taking a video that something triggered today, something has happened, कुछ fall down हुआ तो भी तुरंत ले लेना.
You have taken up, I guess, the most challenging task.
Yeah.
Because who, I think very conveniently everybody is like,
Yeah, there are many kids coming. They said, who recommend you? Ummeed, SRCC. Challenging, okay, go to Mariposa. I said, okay, welcome. Few, but very happy. And when they come challenging, they are so happy because there are no boundaries, no restrictions. They can go anywhere, they can do anything. But as they've been disciplined also, it's not like they're doing anything. Only we should understand what is triggering them. Correct. It's the rules. They can't follow rules. In normal school, there are rules. They can't follow Rekha. We have to make the rule for themselves. They will tell us that this is our rule.
They can follow the rules, but you have to modify the rules for them a little bit. You cannot put him into a normal rule system. उनके लिए सारे रूल लागू नहीं होते, उनके हिसाब से आपको नए रूल
पड़ेंगे. वो जो बनाएंगे वो रूल हम फॉलो करेंगे. And they understand after some time when they get used to, after 6-8 months, that bonding happens. The discipline happens, everything falls in place. But it takes time.
Okay, so to delve deep into Mariposa, what does a typical day in the center look like?
A typical day in Mariposa is something like a fun day every day. Because every day the teachers like, okay, so we have like a timetable every day. Ma'am, which kid I have to take? I cannot make a fixed timetable. Because I don't know which kid is not coming today or what and which mood he is. Supposing I have planned some vision or something fun activity for him. Today is not in a mood, ma'am. See this way. Then we change our curriculum or the activity. So every day is something like talking. It starts with like a circle time. Where all the kids are sitting together having fun. Lot of music and there are 2 sessions followed after the circle time. Which each session is about whatever we have planned for the child. There are therapists going on. Whichever child needs whatever it is. And it's circulating in the classrooms. 6-7 kids are circulating that. And yeah, it's fun because we too have volunteers. It's something like a family. Events are celebrated. Each day having a birthday. Anything. It's like a fun going to the center. It's nothing like, oh, it's like a heavy. It's like, if you see, since 15 years I'm running, I'm not been tired. It's like a passion to me. I'm not tired.
Exactly. If you're on a mission or you have that passion, it will never tire you, for sure.
So today I don't know whether I get funds to continue, no, but it's like, okay, I just want to do it. And I was not knowing that Mariposa would reach to Dolly Show also. That means that I'll be famous or something like that. Even this Better India came or this came. Everyone has their own interest in Mariposa because they want. But I'm not so like Mera Mariposa famous or I want kids and parents to understand we need such place. We need such classrooms. We need such organization to support each other.
So true. So true.
Yeah, that's what like society, like every area कर दो ना. अभी यहाँ तो तुम्हें चेंबूर तो नहीं जाऊंगी रोज. चेंबूर वाले भी क्या रोज बॉम्बे नहीं गए. दो freeway, eastern way, everything is happened. But in today's time, traffic is never going to. And with our kids,
Morning is never free.
yeah, and with our kids, morning today is late. And brushing everything, daily functioning, it's not easy.
Not easy.
We have to do for them, and you have to reach it. So much stress for a mother to reach a center. And what we are achieving, not ABCD or something, it's just like having quality time spending. No, so let's be at peace.
Be at peace. And
Yeah, there's nothing like rat race नहीं करा है. No rat race. Our kids already इतने struggle में है और उसमें rat race में mother बेचारी वो हो जाती है कि यार ये complete करो वो complete करो यार what. I feel all this is.
And I think currently it's the need of the hour to cater to profound autism. It's, I think, very much important to understand this aspect as well. Because I think the rest of the aspects have already been understood. Autism has been associated to superpowers. But yes, there is this space as well. These children also need to be catered to. Ma'am, you want to say something?
I had one thing.
Yes, please.
For a speech therapist, people always goes to autism. Like autism speech therapy is very important because the features of autism is non-verbal. Some kids, eye contact or something like. Physically not challenge much. Okay. But you know what is frustrating in with that? The structure of a speech therapist, as you get up in the morning, you should show the cards to your child for the object to be exchanged. They call it PAX, PEK, like, picture exchange. Yeah. In a typical Bombay house, in a joint family, I don't know how much it's applying.
I know.
It's not, I don't understand how they told me also, but it was not helping me at all. In a joint family with a Bombay life having so much issue, we don't have that time to give a child, you take this, then only I'll give you a brush. उसके साथ उसको अगर the mother is working, उसको office भी जाना है, if the person is coming, I don't know how this is happening and helping the speech therapists. I'm not understanding that concept. Because in abroad, I've been abroad a lot and seen Over there, all the houses are structured. If you see any house you go, they have a dishwasher, they have all the houses are structured. Even if it's a rich poor or a poor house, they are structured. Milk seed and everything. I've been to visit this autism school also. Everything is like they've made a proper house of autism. You have to keep your clothes here. Over here, अरे वो तो आदमी डाल देगा, फिर ये करो. तो Helen Keller taught me, teach him household work, Sejal. Teach Via household work. My Via couldn't do because of physical. But I tell all other kids, teach them, enroll them, take the help of them. आज आप जो भी कर रहे हो तो उसको बताओ. पर here we have all manpower. And we're not taking, and we just go to therapies. ये जाओ. Fine motor के लिए ये करो, वो करो. It starts with your house. You just have to be patient. But in Bombay, in India, manpower is there, so people just don't want their child to involved in all these things. Just send to the therapist, pay money. It's just a small thing you can also start at home with the parent or with the grandparents, whatever.
Therapies don't start at centers, they start from home, घर पे. You will take them to hell lot of therapies, but your child doesn't know how to pick up your
Own plate
and keep it in the basin.
Yeah.
Or he can't even wash his own plates, or then I think the therapies are not working.
That is what in abroad, the schools are structured like home. Correct. School is only home. That is what my Marico says. I want like a home where they come, they wash their clothes, like you keep in the dishwasher, their daily chores, what. Even if I teach them, the same structure should have that home. We don't have a structure. It should correlate, no? It should correlate. So it doesn't work here. But we would like to do that if we have a thing. But we can't do, because Bombay and India is like a cosmo. Everything is different. We can't relate them. But there the system, I'm not comparing, but it's something that it really works smoothly. Today, if they're sending to the centers over there, they're being taught, okay, you had your food, keep here, keep there. And same happens at home. And the parents really do well at home. They have been taught so much patient and everything. Here to aata hai to pura like ek dusre se, which other energies are coming in the house, I don't know. People are frustrated.
Aaj olu che,
It's like it's not practically. It's every day is not the same day, and smooth nahi ho raha hai. Same is not happening.
Our kids need a more support, so for that, they need structure. Better structure. Structure at home. Yeah, structure actually everywhere for them, because they need a lot of support, and especially talking about the severe part of autism.
Yeah.
Not the one which is not that severe or facing the difficulty. They must be having their own journey, but still they are blessed with the other things. But the kids who have severe or profound autism, what you're saying, they deal with a lot of other issues while understanding, to be understood also. Many times they are misunderstood also, कि जानबूझ के कर रहा है या ये कर रहा है. अभी तो फिर भी there is a lot of awareness in Bombay. But when my Kian was diagnosed, इतना awareness मुझे नहीं दिख रहा था. Maybe था, या maybe I am a little introvert type of a person, so मुझे शायद नहीं लगा. पर yes, now when I see the young mothers ना, they first take care of themselves and their child. हो बाकी बाद में. And when it is case like this, yes, they are doing correct. They are not being selfish, so don't judge them. आप लोग उनकी जगह पे नहीं हो, नहीं उनके बच्चों को संभाल रहे हो, so ये मत बोलो कि ये सिर्फ अपने मतलब का ही कर रही है. नहीं, she is facing to something else. She is not giving time to this, that. ये टाइम है कहाँ? उसका पूरा प्लेट ही तो भरा हुआ है. होना तो चाहिए टाइम देने के लिए. और जो है उसमें वो रेस्ट नहीं करेगी, हाउ विल शी गेट अप फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप काम पे जा रहे हो, एक पर्टिकुलर टारगेट आपने अचीव कर लिया है, नेक्स्ट डे यू आर मोटिवेटेड अगेन टू डू द सेम थिंग. यहाँ पे तो हम
Self
सी मदर उठती है, वही सेम रूटीन बच्चे को करवाती है, या उस बच्चा नहीं कर पा रहा है तो उसके लिए करती है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे शी ट्राइज कि आज मैं इसको ये करवाऊंगी. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हो रहा है, और जरूरी नहीं कि नेक्स्ट डे भी होगा, आने वाले महीने में भी होगा, या आने वाले साल में भी होगा. सो टू गो बैक टू अगेन द सेम मॉर्निंग विद दैट सेम मोटिवेशन, बहुत दम लगता है.
Yeah, every day it's a We have to self-motivate.
एवरीथिंग इज काउंटेड इन प्रॉफिट. अगर आपको प्रॉफिट होता है ना तभी आप नेक्स्ट डे के लिए मोटिवेट होते हो.
Here there is no profit.
आई एम टॉकिंग इट वेरी अदर वे अराउंड प्रॉफिट, बट ये कुछ तो
Yeah, something the profit in what way?
यार मैंने आज उसको ये सिखाया तो यार सीखिए. नहीं होता है बॉस. इट इज वेरी टफ एंड प्लस देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट आल्सो व्हिच अ मदर गोस थ्रू. जैसे आज मैंने उसके साथ, अरे हम लोग भी तो इंसान है, कभी हम मिसबिहेव भी कर लेते हैं अपने खुद के बच्चों के साथ. नोबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट गिल्ट एंड व्हाई दैट गिल्ट इज हैपनिंग. होता है.
It's very natural.
It is very natural. Sometimes I'm not good with Kian. And that night it was very difficult for me कि यार नहीं करना चाहिए था, नहीं बोलना चाहिए था.
Very good.
But then you get a lot of support from outside कि नहीं, you are also too human. And it is a human nature. तुम कोई संत नहीं बन गए हो.
Same.
वो मतलब कई बार ऐसा होता है जैसे योगा टीचर कभी बीमार नहीं गिर सकता. एक वो बहुत टैग लगा हुआ होता है. आई एम टू मच इनटू योगा, सो अरे कैसे बुखार आ गया, यू तो डू योगा. अरे ऐसा नहीं होगा, दे टू आर ह्यूमन. सो यस वी मतलब कि यू शुड कीप दैट मच लेवल ऑफ पेशेंस. हमारा पेशेंस भी टूटता है. सो यस देखो, इस फील्ड में जो भी फाइनेंशियली तो ब्लेस्ड होते हैं उनके लिए प्लस पॉइंट हो जाता है. पर कई बार मैं उन मदर्स का भी देखती हूँ ना जो फाइनेंशियली मतलब इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं होती है, वो कैसे मैनेज करती है ना, पर वो बेचारी अदर वे राउंड मैनेज करती है, अपने घर के आसपास ही मैनेज करती है. दे मेक दैट थिंग ओनली अ थेरेपी. एंड कभी कभी थेरेपिस्ट भी उनको लकीली इतनी सपोर्टिव मिल जाते हैं नो कि इट रियली वर्क्स वंडरफुली फॉर देयर किड्स एंड फॉर देम. सो मतलब ये पूरा इट इज़ लाइक अ वॉर. उसमें सब लोगों का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन चाहिए होता है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि ये हुआ तो ये हो जाएगा. इट इज़ लाइक अ पजल जहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें मैच होनी चाहिए. तभी जाके थोड़ा बहुत तुम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि यार एटलीस्ट बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंट तो हो जाएगा जो सीवियर साइड पे है. तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट दैट थोड़ा समझो किसी चीज़ पे कमेंट करने से पहले, रिएक्ट करने से पहले. अरे फालतू का बहाना बनाते क्या टाइम नहीं है. चलो थोड़ा टाइम है भी, नहीं देना है उसको, नहीं है मन, क्या करोगे.
Exactly.
वाई यू थिंक दैट थोड़ा स्पेस बच गया है तो तुम्हें ही देना है. उसका खुद का लाइफ भी नहीं है क्या. जब जिए नहीं हो ना तो कमेंट मत करो. ज्ञान बहुत इजी है.
बट उस स्पेस में आके वो समझना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Still, I have been very lucky when it comes to support. I has been support. I have an elder child also. She is also very supportive. The friends which I have, my family which I have, is still very supportive. They make space for my child. So मैं कई बार वो सोचती हूँ कि यार जो औरतें इन सपोर्ट सिस्टम के बिना डील कर रही होंगी, मतलब क्या लाइफ होगा. हम तो बहुत बेहतर जगह पर है. Blessed in the other way round. I've seen few mothers traveling in train with their severe child, physically challenged child. तो जब उनको देखते हैं ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ नहीं यार.
Exactly.
It's very easy. When I saw her and when I asked her about Viha, तो पहले मुझे लगता था यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट है मेरा. When I see her, she has autism plus physically challenges.
Which really I see financial is there, support is there. Okay. So as we say, if we see the down thing, we are blessed.
Too much blessed.
Too much blessed. A lot like we need the society gratitude. Like yeah, really blessed.
So yes, a heart-to-heart conversation that we have had today, definitely. We'll have to end it, but we have no choice. So one message or a message that you would want to give to the society, ma'am, and you as well, ma'am. So let's start with you.
My message is very simple. I want Mariposa in every school. Mariposa setup, which is what I feel inclusion in real meaning. Because they said the government has started inclusion. There are no proper infrastructure for the government to understand at what exactly special school means, special staff means, how mothers and therapists need to be educated. Government should look inside. Just by giving permission is not easy. They need to look, they have to keep a survey is whether it's happening or not proper way. So I feel, yeah, as at least it will start soon because government has aware about it and inclusion is important. So I think within next decade it will be very like inclusion will be in a nice way and it will be like every Mariposa in every school.
Wow, what a beautiful thought.
Yeah, very positive about it. Government really.
I only have this one thing that please accept our kids, but not with that daya bhav and all, with respect.
Not with empathy. Yeah, sympathy, sorry.
They don't need your sympathy, boss.
Yeah.
With a lot of respect,
And no judgment.
no judgments, because it's a very difficult path for them too. Because they are trying to make you understand in their own way. It is your incapability. It is our incapability that हम नहीं समझ पा रहे.
Actually, the handicapped, like the disabled kids have come to society to teach us only. wo. If we all are good, then we won't understand the difficult situations of life. So they have come to teach us like love, unconditional, like whatever you say, empathy, sympathy, patience, has all been taught by them only.
And one more thing, जो काफी टाइम से मेरे दिमाग में था कि there should be a little bit change in the education system itself, that they are the kids in the society is aware from the very beginning, because now this is ये अटूट हिस्सा हो गया है सोसाइटी का. As you can see now, everywhere you will find one or two cases like this in your surrounding, in your relative, in your own family. So it is now need of the hour that each and everybody should be educated for this future thing and for this present thing which is going on. कि भाई problem है थोड़ा बहुत, but you also need to understand and support them with respect. दया तो चाहिए ही नहीं तुम्हारी उनको. एक चीज तो दिमाग में ये बिठा दो, बेचारे तो वो है नहीं. If you can't respect them, it's okay. Don't commend them. They are very बहुत खुश बच्चे होते हैं ये.
True. Yeah. They're
very pure at heart.
pure and happy souls they are.
कोई छल कपट नहीं होता इनमें.
Very happy.
Like the outside world, but accept them with respect. उनको उनका जगह दो. दया भाव से नहीं, रिस्पेक्ट से जो उनका जगह है ना,
That
वो दो. डोंट थिंक दैट दे आर इनकेपेबल. नो,
yeah.
सो हमें करना ही पड़ रहा है. दे आर केपेबल इन अदर वे एंड इट इज देयर स्पेस. सो प्लीज, nothing else. And I'm talking this for a lot of people who don't have that level of support. Touch wood, by God's grace, I have all type of support and all access. For the people who don't have that support, उनके लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. हम तो थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर पैसा खर्चा करके पहचान लगा के बहुत सारी चीज़ें इजीली एक्सेसिबल करा सकते हैं. बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज पीपल जिनका बोलते हैं ना आज कमाया आज खाए वाली सिचुएशन है.
They need to be educated through some movies or like reality of movies, not like goody movies, because their mindset are like typical के कुछ black magic होगा ये बच्चे में, ये हो गया होगा. They don't understand. It's not about black magic or something. It's something like some brain issues where that is why they are behaving this way. So they need to be educated, and I think people will start learning if they show in mass media, like how, because most of the TRP works with the masses only, that if they, and whatever government will show, people will take it. So show them the reality. not only that kids can
Don't show them only the happy picture or happy
that
ending.
every child is not an Albert Einstein.
Show them the journey.
Yeah.
Don't show them only the trophies.
Yeah.
The failure also show them because that's a journey. So success ही थोड़ी journey है.
And so failure is a part of
Part of it.
which should be definitely shown.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for this power-packed message that you all have given. I can't thank you all enough. So thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks
Thanks you too.
and we wish that our voice reaches to society and definitely there'll be a positive impact definitely for the
You were saying something.
for education system.
I was saying the same thing. Thank you that whatever intention with you're doing it, your intentions are good. So आप भी ग्रो करें और जिस इंटेंशन से आप उस चीज को लेके जाना चाहते हैं वो भी उसी हिसाब से ग्रो करे, उसके भी वही लेवल का सपोर्ट और रिस्पेक्ट मिले.
Thank you so much. This is a great blessing.
No, we definitely, what you are doing is really a wonderful job. And we really are connecting all the sources together. And it's very good for a mother to know, because in today's time, they are lost sometimes.
Thank you so much.